Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Kia Sportage X-Line in ebony black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7316.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.